Let's discuss chemical equilibrium for the novice. In particular, we're going to discuss the static element. What is static or not changing when a reaction is in chemical equilibrium? Here's an element, a combination reaction, two compounds combining to form a brand new compound. Let's consider this reaction as it progresses through time. And what we will consider is the molarities of those reactants and products through time. Square brackets is hieroglyphics in chemistry for molarity. 10. At time 0, the reactants will be at their highest concentrations ever. And let's just say, for the sake of this right here, they're at equal concentrations, but they're the highest they'll ever be. And at time 0, the product is the lowest it'll ever be, which is 0. And this is time, let's say 0 seconds. So these, the concentration of the reactants, let's just say that they're right here. I'm going to try to put 2 dots on top of each other. And the concentration of the products is down there, the one product HBr. That's time 0. Now what about 120 seconds in, 2 minutes? Time will have elapsed, and these two molecules will be able to combine to form some of the products. So after time, when time has elapsed, some of the reactants will go down in concentration, and some of the reactants will go up in concentration. So I'll make my bars, the height of my bars in this graph, try to represent that. After 2 minutes, the reactants have gone down, and some of the products have gone up. And after 240 seconds, more time has elapsed. The reactants have gone down still, and the products have gone up a little more. So after 2 minutes and 4 minutes, the reactants have started at 0 and gone up. The products have started higher and gone down. Okay? So this is trying to show the change in concentration over time. Now, the reactants are not going to go up to infinity, and the products are never going to go up into infinity, and the reactants are never going to go down to 0 or below 0. The products will level off, and the reactants will level off. And this point here, everything to the right of this point in time, there is a static concentration of the reactants and the products. The molarities of the products, and in this example, HBr, is no longer changing. It is a flat line. The concentration of the reactants are no longer changing. It is a flat line. When the concentrations are no longer changing, we say that the reaction is in a dynamic or chemical equilibrium. This area to the left of that time frame is not in equilibrium because the concentrations are changing with time. When the concentrations are static, equilibrium has been reached or achieved. Thank you.